Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Your direct nationwide lender. Give us a call, text my office if we can help you, 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about our new home construction low interest rate loan program that we offer for our builders and your developers. If you are a builder or developer in America, we have a great program to be able to help you to offer to your customers interest rates as low as 3.9% for a 30-year fixed mortgage for conventional and FHA loans. So a lot of builders right now, they're struggling to move their inventory, move their product because interest rates are high. So, for example, if you're trying to sell a $700,000 home and the going rate is 7%, the payment could be as high as $3,000 a month. So we have a great 30-year fixed loan with interest rates starting as low as 3.9%. It's our Builders Futures program that we offer to help our builders and your developers. So if you're a customer trying to get pre-approved to purchase a new home construction, you can utilize this program. So we're going to talk about this side. The builder and us as the lender can contribute to buy down your interest rate to get you a lower rate, so that way you can have a more affordable house payment. And it's not a variable rate loan. It's not an adjustable rate loan. It's not a 2-1 buy down. It's a 30-year fixed with that lower rate. And the builder can cover the cost by rolling into the loan to help you to get your rate down. So the rate doesn't change in year 2 or year 3, and it doesn't adjust. It stays fixed. Today, as of the shoot of this video, that's where the rate's at. Doesn't mean it's always going to be at 3.9%. That's where it's at right now, but it's a great product. And there are obviously some requirements. If you're the builder, developer, you have to commit to us as the lender to fund at least $1 million of your inventory. And there's also a cost for it as well. You have to pay a certain portion of that for that cost, and then you can obviously recapture that through the closing. Usually the cost of that can be up to 2% that you would pay, but in exchange, you would offer your customer a lower interest rate. So if you want to get pre-approved and you're the buyer and you want to take the pre-approval for a new home construction, you can also offer this to your builder to help contribute to get you that lower interest rate. But it's an awesome program to be able to help you in a high rate environment that we're in. A lot of people, they don't want to do an adjustable rate. They don't want to do a graduated payment. They don't want to do a 2-1 buy down. They'd rather have a 30-year fixed mortgage. Kind of give you an example, we had a builder here in Dallas that actually committed 32 of his properties in Georgia and in Texas and Nevada. And so, for example, those 32 homes, almost $20 million in inventory. And if you think about, he's having a hard time moving his inventory because of how rates where they're at right now, but he's got to keep building. He's got to keep deals moving, projects funded. And so the thing that, we're saying, hey, look, if you go from a 7% down to a 3.9 or 4.5%, your customer is going to be saving on a $700,000 home, at least $1,400 a month in their payment. So you start letting people know and advertising and marketing, you're going to get them a lower interest rate. It's going to make a huge difference in, a family's affordability to be able to pay the mortgage and qualify with their debt to income ratio. So you can also get pre-approved for new home construction with us and then take that to your builder to offer them the lower interest rate to get approved with us with the builder program. So this is just for new home construction only. This is not for existing properties. All right. And your builder would have to get signed up with us and then, again, commit that inventory. And if they do, then you can get a lower interest rate for the life of the loan. We also have lower interest rates. Hey, Mike, how's it going, man? If you're trying to buy an existing property, then we have the 2-1 buy down. And you guys may have heard of that, maybe you haven't. But basically the way it works is for the first 2 years, you get a lower rate. So if the going rate is 7%, it's a 30-year fixed loan. And then the first year would be a 5% rate. And then year 2 would be 6%. And then year 3, if you stayed on the loan, would be 7%. But what a lot of people are banking on and expecting is that rates will drop in the next year. So you might have a 5% in year 1, And then if rates do drop, the loan has no prepayment penalty. You can refinance and go to the lower interest rate, and you never see the 6%. You never see the 7% rate. So that's how the 2-1 buy down works. So we offer both of these programs, and that's on existing homes. And remember, this is available for FHA and conventional loans. So if you want more information, we offer these programs for primary residents nationwide with the exception of New York. You do have to have a 620 or higher credit score for this. These are not no documentation or hard money loans. They're full documentation, conventional FHA loans, VA2 and USDA. Yeah, so like I said, if you have questions, please reach out to get pre-approved. There's no cost to get pre-approved. We don't do any hard credit check. We do a soft check on your credit. It's not a hard check. There's no contract. You can just click on the link to enroll. It's very simple, just takes a few minutes. The link should be down below to get signed up. You can also call or text our office. We're open 7 days a week, 832-431-6331. Please reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. If we can help you with anything. And like I said, don't forget about our loan partner program. If you want to get signed up to get paid for referrals, please reach out to us there. And then our top producing real estate university. If you want to learn how to become a top producer, a top closer with Angelo Christian, check out Real Estate University. The links are down below for that too. And don't forget about our Amazon Loyalty Rewards program. If you want to get pre-approved with Angelo Christian on the Amazon, get your free Amazon gift card. You can go to, if you're a customer, a vendor, a partner, just go to Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google. Send us a 5-star review. We'll hook you up if we've done business, you're a broker or builder. Hey, Britt. Yes, we can definitely refinance the property with arrears, DSCR. We also have negative DSCR and no DSCR. So a lot of different options of what we can do on that. And you can do a 10-year interest only too. We also have a 40-year amortization as well with interest only. So a lot of different options on what we can do on that. Yeah, so I appreciate all of you guys tuning in, watching the channel. Please share this information. Don't forget to subscribe, enable notifications, like that bell. It really helps us out with the channel. We work really hard to educate you guys, empower this, get you the knowledge, whatever we can do to help you to add value. So, yeah, it can be negative. We even have no DSC. I mean, it's a no rate. Basically, it's a no ratio loan. And we can talk about it more tomorrow. If you want to give us a call, we can walk you through it. That's different. Negative amortization means that your loan balance is increasing every month. So, like, for example, like a reverse mortgage for a senior citizen, the loan balance is increasing and they're not making the payment. So that's a negative amortization. Yeah, good question. But yeah, you guys have a lot of good questions, so I appreciate all of the help and the support. You know, like I said, don't be a stranger. Give us a call, text me if I can help you with anything. 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding. Reach out to Angelo Christian, your direct nationwide lender. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the channel. We'll be back again later.